The Earth has formed approximately 4.54 billion years ago through a process known as accretion. This process involved the gradual accumulation of matter in the early solar system, as smaller particles collided and merged to form larger bodies. The early Earth was a hot and molten planet, as a result of the heat generated by the energy released during the accretion process and by the decay of radioactive isotopes within the planet. Over time, the Earth's surface cooled and solidified to form a thin, solid crust, while the interior continued to heat up due to ongoing radioactive decay. The atmosphere and oceans are formed from gases and water vapor released by volcanic activity and cometary impacts. The atmosphere was initially composed of carbon dioxide, water vapor, and nitrogen, but it has evolved over time due to the actions of living organisms and other factors. The first evidence of life on Earth dates back to approximately 3.5 billion years ago, in the form of fossilized bacteria and other microorganisms. Over time, these simple life forms evolved into more complex organisms, such as algae and plants. The evolution of life on Earth was shaped by a variety of factors, including changes in the Earth's environment, competition for resources, and genetic mutations. One major event in the history of life on Earth was the Cambrian explosion, which occurred approximately 541 million years ago and marked a period of rapid diversification of life forms. The evolution of humans is a relatively recent event in the history of the Earth. The earliest human ancestors, known as hominids, appeared in Africa approximately 6 to 7 million years ago. Over time, these hominins evolved into various species, including Homo erectus and Homo neanderthalensis. The earliest members of our own species, Homo sapiens, appeared in Africa approximately 300,000 years ago. These early humans eventually spread out of Africa and colonized other parts of the world, leading to the development of diverse cultures and civilizations. In recent centuries, human activity has had a profound impact on the Earth's environment. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and other activities have led to the release of large amounts of greenhouse gases, contributing to climate change and global warming. Humans have also caused widespread habitat destruction and loss of biodiversity, leading to the extinction of many plant and animal species. However, efforts are being made to mitigate the impact of human activity on the Earth and preserve the planet for future generations. One of the most pressing issues facing the Earth today is climate change, which is primarily caused by the release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere through the burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and other human activities. Climate change is already having a wide range of impacts, including rising temperatures, sea level rise, changes in precipitation patterns, and more frequent and severe weather events. This loss of biodiversity can have far-reaching ecological, economic, and social impacts, affecting everything from food production to disease control to cultural heritage. Human activities have also led to the depletion of many natural resources, including freshwater, forests, fisheries, and soils. This depletion can have significant impacts on local communities and ecosystems, as well as on global food and water security. How long the Earth can stand is difficult to predict, as it depends on a variety of factors, including the ongoing effects of human activities, natural processes such as plate tectonics and volcanic activity, and external factors such as asteroid impacts and solar flares. However, it is clear that human activities are already having significant and long-lasting impacts on the Earth's environment, and that action is needed to address these impacts and ensure a sustainable future for the planet.